We're playing World of Warships today. And we're starting out with a battleship. I like battleships because they're like the big guns. Is it heavy weapons. They have a ton of health. But they don't have torpedoes. Go. Should I go for him?
Our team has taken the lead.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for him. Oh man, double team. Oh man. Trying to dodge. Of course it is. Well, not anymore.
Problem solved, sir. On fire.
Of course it is. Not good. Turn, roll. I can take. I don't know if I can take this fire. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What? Alright, we're gonna use the Kuma cruiser. I like cruisers because they move quickly, but they still have heavy weapons. The destroyers move the fastest, but they do not have heavy weapons.
Detected.
Well, all of them just popped up all of a sudden. Bonk. Bonk.
Good luck and fair seas.
Bonk. Bonk. Bonk.
I owe you one.
Bonk.
Enemy cruiser detected.
I can hit.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Well, they was shooting for me for sure. What? Okay, great. I don't want torpedoes right there.
Enemy destroyer
No way that's about to hit him.
Torpedoes, direct front.
Whoa! Ha! 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 Dodged! Dodged! Go ahead that way. I'm going after the big guy.
Our team is taking the lead. Enemy cruiser detected.
Yep, he knows I'm here now. The weakness of battleships is torpedoes. And the weakness of me. Only one. Am I flooding? Speaking of which, give me a torpedo right there.
The ship is on fire.
Repair it then.
Problem solved, sir.
1940s hit and run.
Torpedoes, get ahead.
Yeah, they're not heavy.
Our victory is in sight.
Dang it.